So lately I've been focused on taking my nature and wildlife videos to the next level, aiming for a more organic and cinematic feel. Right now my footage looks a bit too clean, almost too digital, and I want to have that rich, film-like depth and character. I shoot in ProRes RAW and LOG formats, which gives me plenty of flexibility for color grading. But beyond basic log to Rec 709 conversions and curves adjustments, I just don't know how to make my footage truly cinematic. That's why I decided to test out the Dehancer film emulation plugin for Premiere Pro. It's designed to add that warmth and texture you see in classic film, without the hassle of manual grading. Just so you know, Dehancer did provide me with a license to review their plugin, but all my thoughts are completely honest and based on my own experience. There are multiple ways to work with Dehancer, but here's the workflow that delivers the best results for me. After importing my ProRes RAW footage, I set the color space to C-Log 2, since I shoot with a Canon R5. Then, I apply a log to Rec 709 LUT file, make some initial edits in the color correction panel, then I apply the Dehancer plugin, and that's where the magic happens. Instantly, my footage transforms, taking on that beautiful film aesthetic. Dehancer offers a huge selection of film profiles, from Kodak to Fujifilm to Polaroid, each with its own unique characteristics. Some presets are a bit too retro for me, but I love how easy it is to fine-tune every setting to match my creative vision. Seeing the adjustments in real time is a huge plus. Dehancer also includes some advanced features that professionals will appreciate, especially those familiar with traditional film processing. After experimenting with different profiles, I found several that work beautifully for the content I create, and I've saved some go-to presets that I can use for upcoming projects. I even discovered a profile that I can use to elevate a video I posted a few months ago. I'll link the updated version above. Let me know in the comments which version you prefer. Let's check out the performance and render times. I'm editing on an M2 Max MacBook Pro with 64 GB of RAM, and overall, the plugin's performance is solid. Even though Premiere displays a yellow line over my clips, the playback remains smooth, even at full resolution. Being able to scrub through my timeline without rendering is a huge win. However, exporting is another story. A 60-second 4K sequence without Dehancer exports in 1 minute and 7 seconds. With Dehancer applied, that jumps to a disappointing 3 minutes and 34 seconds. I was hoping for around 2 minutes. Is this a deal breaker? Well, if you create long-form content, this could be a pain, but since my videos are typically under 5 minutes, the extra time isn't a huge issue for me, for now. So what do I like about the plugin? Dehancer is more than just a set of presets. It genuinely brings an organic, film-like feel to my footage. I like that the controls are intuitive, and real-time feedback makes adjustments effortless. The playback performance is awesome, 5 stars. That said, there are 2 downsides. First, the export times are long. It's not a deal breaker for short videos, but it's something to consider for longer videos. And second, the price tag. For a lifetime license with 2 seats, Dehancer Pro costs $450, while Dehancer Lite is $200, but lacks several features. For my content, the Lite version would be just fine. Would I recommend Dehancer for nature and wildlife videos? Well, if you love the film look and want a simple yet powerful tool to achieve it, then absolutely. But if you're on a tight budget or export long videos regularly, you might want to weigh the pros and cons. If you want to save 10% off your Dehancer purchase, just use the code FLWILD at checkout to receive the discount. What do you think? Have you tried Dehancer or any other film emulation tools? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you're notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.